Welcome back to another DIY video. In this video, we introduce a different approach to 3D printed RC wings that eliminates the need for thin walls. Instead, we use it in a diamond structure covered with a heat-activated wrap, reducing print time, saving material for an easier print. Let's create the design using our web tool. This tool requires no CAD knowledge and no download. We specify the leading and trailing edge shape by creating a few cue points along the length of the wingspan and require a smooth curve. We specify a slight washout. We add some dihedral to the wing and add blended wingtips. Using 4 cue points for the wing thickness, we create a thick airfoil in the middle which gets thinner towards the tips. This is the complete design featuring a smooth, solid leading edge. The trailing edge, wing tips and the inner structure are suitable for supporting a relatively smooth covering. The wing has been printed using the Bambula X1 carbon printer in PLA in 3 parts using the settings shown and glued together with a strong CA adhesive. This is the assembled wing with a wingspan of 75 centimeters and a weight of 100 grams. A very sturdy wing thanks to the diamond lattice. This is the final result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and try out the application yourself. Find the link in comments.